So today we're going to head down the trail and go pick up something Galby have been wanting for quite some time. What is it?
It's a new shovel. The wife likes doing yard work and stuff, so I'm going to go down and get her a new shovel because I don't like shoveling.
So that's what you're doing. Get me. It's not a new toy for you.
No, it's a new shovel.
Yeah. So we'll see what this new shovel looks like now in a little while. We'll take you along on our ride. We're going to go down the trail, in through the highway, and into Botwood. So hopefully we get something today.
Yeah, shoveling's hard work.
Shoveling is hard work.
Yeah, and I'm tired of it.
You're tired of it.
I don't like it.
No, that's for sure. For a bit of breakfast. Robins and Badger is a great spot to do it. Understood the instructions wrong. I think he understood the instructions wrong. So we're going to see now who was right.
And of course she's right.
Now imagine that.
Look, Diane, I sees your shovel.
You sees me shovel, do you, my dog? Don't mind me taking a little bit.
You're a celebrity.
You got the best side of me.
Yeah. This is Gene Jewett. He's the guy that we're looking at buying a machine from.
Yeah.
So he does this here in Botwood. So if you're ever in need of looking for a small excavator or a machine, he's the guy to talk to.
I got extra stuff. I got ditching buckets. I got fence pole saggers. I got the rake. I got a rock bucket. I got all kinds of stuff, right? So if you wanted anything else, I got the stuff to fit that machine. My buddy keeps going, 73 hours. Probably not that much.
I tell you, some good to have good friends who don't mind letting you borrow their truck. Thanks, guys. There you go.
Business, buddy.
Yes, sir, buddy. Thank you.
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Perfect.
How you feeling now?
Awesome.
That's good.
Got the missus her new shovel.
Yeah, no doubt. Something he's been planning on for quite some time. So when we came in today, he wasn't sure. He had a different one in mind, but when he started looking at it, this was the one he picked instead. He figures this one is more stable. She's a bit wider, and he figures she's going to be a little bit better and a little bit more sturdy. So he went with a little bit bigger one, but he's pretty pleased with getting his machine today, I do believe.
Yeah, she's gonna do a lot of work for us.
Yes.
Be able to do her gardening now.
Hey, that's right.
You're going to see lots of flowers.
Time for a bite to eat here in Grand Falls. We're back to town. Not bad. 7 hours round trip. Can't really complain, I guess. Get ready now shortly to head up to the trail. A little bit. Yep. He's got to do a little bit of dirt work so that he's able to fix the bank enough for him to unload. When she shut off the second time, we realized we hadn't thought about gas. Not anxious, was you? Okay. Well, I don't know if there's a very good start for us or if there's just bad luck. First, we couldn't get her off because there was no gas. Partly our own fault. We should have checked. Sort of forgot, but you know. But now, he's wondering if she's not low on hydraulic oil. So there was lots of hydraulic oil. It must have just been the angle where she was trying to come down over the bank that didn't enable enough hydraulic oil to run what needed to be run at that point.
Here goes Diane. She got her new shovel and she's gonna cross the bridge now. First time running one, so she'll get the hang of her. Good job. There she goes.
Well, I successfully made it across the bridge. For the first time driving her, I don't think it was too bad. And what a beautiful evening it is. Absolutely gorgeous. There's my ride. We're having a look today. The one thing about it now, that'll be the third thing. That should be it.
Yeah, whatever. See, normally you got wrenches, you back that off.
Yes. I have no clue what he's about to do, but I don't think I like it. Makes me nervous.
it.
I know, we gotta go all the way home yet.
All the way home.
My guts is gonna be everywhere. Especially when we start towing it. Oh my Lord. That's awful top heavy, isn't it, my dog?
What can possibly go wrong?
That's the issue, a lot. I could throw up to think about driving up there now.
I'm gonna strap her down good now.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Maybe I'll walk, and when you gets her up home, you'll come back and get me. How about that? I'll start walking now.
Yep. I'll be up here you with her on the way up.
That's just gorgeous. So you figures we're going to be all right headed up the trail like that?
Oh yeah. We'll be just fine.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to let you turn around and get ready before I hops in. I don't even want to watch you turn around, let alone get aboard.
Turn around's easy. I'm backing her up there on the level.
Okay. What?
Tempted to bring her home,
No, my dog.
but we're gonna get her.
I hope so.
Yes. Best time.
Best kind. Oh man. The trouble we've had today, I can't say best kind, not till we get to home. Well, we're gonna give this a whirl now, boys. Wish us luck. We've needed it today. A bit nerve-wracking if you ask me. What do you think?
All a day's work.
You're not going to believe it, but his winch line just broke. Now we're here in the middle of the trail. Yeah. So it was just after this here now that the young feller come back along. We had busted two of the winch lines, so he eventually hooked onto us, and our buddy hooked onto the young feller, and they gave us a little tug. Gilbert had already had the jack set up. Now in a couple of minutes you'll see him in under the wagon. So along with that, and the guys pulling on us, it didn't take much and we were out. So thanks to you guys for doing that for us. It was more appreciated than you'll ever realize. Well, we're on the trail. We're making it so far. It's a good job the machine we got, the mule can tow the way she can. Huh?
What's that?
I said it's a good job the mule can tow.
Oh yeah. She's a workhorse.
Yeah. Ranger's tired and wants to go home. This smoke is thick. Good job, baby. Best kind is right. Ooh, look at the beautiful moon. Side note. My nerves haven't been this rub raw since the day we brought the cook stove up over the trail on a wagon. But I think this tops it. Buddy is over here, thinks everything is just fine.
Check on it. That's fine.
Good. We're about a quarter of the way home. I wish you could see how pretty the moon is. How you feeling now?
Awesome. Made it home.
Risky, wasn't it?
It was crazy.
It was chancy.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's home. I
yes.
can deal with it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just, it was an unbelievable, it was a great day, but unbelievable everything that happened once we got it on out from Botwood. As soon as we got to Robert's Arm, we started having an issue.
Nothing, only trouble.
Nothing, only trouble. Well, hopefully that's the end of the trouble now. Got it over with. Proud of you.
Thanks.